Hello everybody, I'm Chef Ben Mattmann from the Vancouver Marriott Hotel. I'm your growing chef for today, and we're going to talk about emotional vegetables. Vegetables which evoke emotions in you and me. And for me, it's going to be zucchini. I've got some zucchini here. They come in different sizes. You got little ones, you got big ones, and then you got wee baby zucchini. I've got a zucchini start here, which I'm growing in my windowsill for a couple of weeks until it gets bigger, and then I'm going to plant it in my garden. I'll have lots of zucchini for me and my family. Zucchini makes me happy. Do you know why? Well, one, I learned to enjoy ratatouille and all the great dishes my dad prepared for us when I was a kid. And two, I really like to cook zucchini. One of my favorite dishes is this dish called zucchini noodles, or Zoodles. So the first thing you do is you take your zoodler and you make your zucchini noodles. This is pretty easy to do. You just keep twisting and twisting until you get all your zoodles cut. There we go. Now we're going to cook them up. So over here on the stove, we've got a nice hot pan here. We've got our zoodles here. We have these zucchini noodles. We're going to cook them up quickly. Put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. We're going to add our zoodles. A little bit of salt. A little bit of ground pepper. Stir them up, saute them up in that olive oil. You can hear them starting to sizzle. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oregano here. So I've got some dry oregano. So a little sprinkle of the dry oregano in here. And some marinara sauce. Now as you cook the zucchinis, you're going to get a little bit softer, like noodles. When you cook the noodles in the water, they start to get softer too. As your zucchini noodles, or your zoodles, get soft, you're going to finish them up and get them ready to go. So I'm going to finish with a little bit of chopped parsley. As you can see, the zoodles are getting soft. Stir them up, cover them with that marinara sauce. We're going to take some of these zoodles, give them a big spin. Top it with a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Zoodles, or zucchini noodles. See you all next time.